face the final frontier.
Not yet.
Hey
everybody, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today, Irene's going to be assembling some shelves that we're going to be putting into our walk-in closet to use more of our vertical space.
As everyone knows, irregardless of the size of your house, the stuff that you have inside it will generally expand to fill the entire building, and we don't have all the buildings built that we had intended to build here. We're also still in the process of sorting, 40 some odd years of marriage, and stuff from both sides of the family, and stuff that friends have given us, and. So, because we were in more than one location for a little while and things like that, we wound up with multiple sets of things. We've gotten rid of most of that now, but we still have some clothes and some other stuff, and this set of shelves is going to allow us to have a lot more vertical storage and hopefully be that breakthrough that we need to be able to get through everything else. I got rid of most of the weird stuff in there last year.
It wasn't weird.
No, but there was things like clothes that we haven't worn in 10 years that we're like, okay, we're never going to wear that again. So because we've lost weight or we've changed our styles or whatever, let somebody, because there's nothing wrong with it, let somebody else use it who can use it. So our goal is to get this put together today and get it rolled in the closet, and then hopefully that will make enough space so that I can start playing Tetris.
We have a lot of things to get through, things we're not going to use anymore. We had for a while a couple of different locations we were living. At one point I had Florida, California, and we actually lived here in Arizona.
Right.
And I was spending a lot of time at both locations. So I had complete kitchens both places, complete bedrooms both places. And it's a matter of getting all those things that kind of got consolidated here, I think about 5 years ago.
Right.
Get them in one place so we can sort through and figure out what we want to keep and what we want to get rid of.
Right. We managed to get through a huge volume of stuff this past winter. And we support a thrift shop. And this is one of those things I really recommend people do, is take a look at what organizations in your area support causes that you believe in. So for us, there's a bunch of different places around here. But one of the things that really hit home for us in terms of being something that we could really get behind was there is a thrift shop, actually more than one of them, that support a women's and children's shelter. And there's always shelters that'll take guys, but there's not always places that women can take children. So this was a cause that we really believe in. And so all of our stuff goes there, and we just take it down. They give us a receipt, and
it's gone.
It's gone, and it's good stuff. We're not giving them trash. We're giving them duplicates of things that we have how many of these things do you need? Or good clothes.
2, but maybe not 3.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, and here's a lifetime supply of toasters. No.
We actually used my toaster to replace our toaster that
finally died. Yes. But things like that. So here we go.
Our water solution. Well, we've had this trailer for a few years. And it works well. You may recognize that as one of the fittings. But that isn't our new water solution. We'll go take a look at that. This 35-year-old water truck was used out here in the area where we lived for at least the past 15 years to haul water. It was owned by a person who ran a water delivery service. It's in rough shape, but that's okay because we don't have very far to go. The truck has all of the features of a big rig. You know, a tractor trailer. It has a 10-liter Cummins engine, and it has air brakes. Now, air brakes are a problem here in Arizona because you need to have a commercial driver's license. Except, there's one way out. I've registered this truck as a farm vehicle. And besides, I don't actually need a commercial driver's license because it's staying on private property, on private roads, and not in the public way.